Want to install apps on your Hisense Roku TV but can't find popular apps like Disney+, HBO Max, Hulu, or Apple TV+? Don't worry. Here's how to download or install any apps, organize them, and also 2 bonus tips: how to install secret apps that are missing from the Roku store. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet and signed in with an active Roku account. Without that, you won't be able to download apps. Now, grab your remote and press the Home button to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and select Streaming Store. This is basically Roku's built-in app store where you can browse and install apps. You'll see different app categories here, but the fastest way to find an app is by using Search. Go ahead and open the Search option from the list. Now type the name of the app you want to install, like HBO Max, or anything else available on Roku. Once the app appears, select it and choose Add Channel. After a few seconds, the app will download and automatically get added to your home screen. Most newly installed apps usually appear at the bottom of the home screen. If you want to move the app somewhere else, highlight the app, press the star button on your remote, and select Move Channel. Then place it wherever you want on the home screen. Now, here's a quick bonus tip. If you can't find certain popular apps in the Roku App Store, you may want to consider using an external streaming device like Apple TV or Google TV. Those devices give you access to even more apps through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And that's it. That's how you can install apps on your Hisense Roku TV. Thanks for staying with Fix369.